This camera is not possible to on because if I'm going to uh, on camera, then my device will break and the screen will be, or the screen will create a disturbance. So that's why I'm not going to on a camera. So hope the screen is visible to everyone. Now proceeding with the lecture, partial derivative of a function. Today's first problem. One thing remember, that is, if my voice is or a screen might be not visible, then please let me know by on your mic. Otherwise, I will not aware about that whether the mic is visible or not. So the first problem for today is partial derivative of a function if z is equal to tan of y plus ax plus y minus ax raised to power 3 by 2, show that dou square z by dou x square is equal to a square dou square z by dou y square. So this is a very simple numerical. Now solution. Just I'm going to on the camera, and if the voice breaking is happened, please let me know. So the solution, we have to differentiate this function with respect to x first. So dou z by dou x. So we have to differentiate this function with respect to x. So this is a simple derivative. First derivative of tan will be what? It will be a sec square of y plus x. And derivative of this part with respect to x of y with respect to x will be 0, and derivative of ax with respect to x. So x derivative will becomes 1 and a will come out. So it will becomes a into sec square of y plus ax minus or plus as it is of this part. So 3 by 2 will comes forward, 3 by 2 into y minus ax, and 3 by 2 minus 1, it will becomes 1 by 2 n minus 1 डेरिवेटिव कॉन्सेप्ट n into x raised to, जैसे हम लोग डेरिवेटिव करते थे d by of f of x upon dx, which is equal to what? n into f of x raised to n minus 1 into f dash of x. So similar concept we have to apply here. So 3 by 2 come outside, y minus ax raised to 1 by 2, and derivative of this part with respect to x. So y treated as a 0, minus will becomes come here. So this part will becomes minus a. Now we have to perform one more derivative here for this function. So again differentiating with respect to x, because in a question it is clearly mentioned that we have to calculate dou square z by dou x square. So this part will becomes dou square z by dou x square, which is equal to, we have to take again derivative of this part. So a 2 sec 2 sec square of y plus ax, 2 sec square of y plus x ax into we have to take the derivative of sec, oh sorry, that's my mistake. A kept as it is, sec square है तो 2 आगे आ जाएगा, n minus 1 तो sec into y plus ax, and the derivative of sec is what? Tan of y plus ax into sec of y plus ax, and फिर हम इसके अंदर आएंगे, that is the y is 0 and derivative of ax is a, तो इसको मैं आगे लिख देता हूँ directly a square. Hope this step is clear to everyone. I'm just again explaining this part. When I'm going to differentiate this function, 2 comes forward, sec as it is, because 2n minus 1 concept, and derivative of this f of x or sec of y plus ax. So derivative of sec is what? Sec into tan or tan into sec, and function f of a means variable kept as it is, and at the last we have to differentiate this bracket terms or differentiating this variable. So with respect to x, y treated as a 0, and with respect to x it will comes a, so a comes as forward here. So dou square z by square, you will get this part for first function. Similarly we have to apply this here, so plus 3 by 2 as it is, and derivative of this function, so you will get what? 3 by 2, so 1 by 2 comes will be here, and it will becomes minus 1 by 2, so into 1 by 2, this will becomes minus ax y minus ax raised to power 1 by 2. यही वाला रूल अप्लाई यहाँ पे किया गया है, n into f of x n minus 1, तो half comes forward, y minus ax 1 by 2 minus 1, it will be 1 by 2, and at the derivative of y with respect to x, you will get what? Y will become 0 and x derivative will becomes 1, so you will getting minus a, so minus a into minus a, it will becomes a square. Now we have to simplify this function, so you will get something, or not something, you will get you have to find out dou z by dou y. So proceeding, so dou z, or you can just give this as equation number 1 if you want dou z by dou. Now dou z by dou y, which is equal to what? Dou z by dou, which is equal to, you have to differentiate similar way, derivative of tan will be, you will getting sec square y plus ax, and derivative this part with respect to y, so this whole part 0 and y derivative will becomes 1, so kept as it is, plus similar way here 3 by 2 will come forward, y minus ax raised to power 1 by 2. Similarly dou square z by dou y square, which is equal to, we have to differentiate similar way, so 2 into sec of y plus ax, इसको चाहिए तो मल्टी sec square, नहीं तो kept as it is, क्योंकि cancellation नहीं होने वाला है कोई भी part, so you can kept as it is, and again we have to take derivative of sec, पहला n आगे आ गया, sec y plus ax हो गया, अब sec का डेरिवेटिव लोगे तो sec इज इक्वल टू होता है sec into tan x और tan x into sec x, so tan of y plus ax sec of y plus ax, and derivative of this part with respect to y, you will get 1, so kept as it is, plus 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 y minus ax raised to power minus half, और in आएगा तो this Now you can just see this part. This is equation number 2. If I'm going to compare equation 1 and equation 2, so you will understand by comparing equation 1 and 2, you can just see that अगर यहाँ पे a square से multiply हो जाए, so you will get the same equation. Therefore we can write that, therefore hence proved dou square z by dou x square is equal to a square into dou square z by dou y square. Dou y square. So this is our final result, and this was given for a proof. So we have to show this part. Very easy question. What we did, we just did a small simple basic derivative. First we differentiated the function with respect to x, and secondly we differentiated function with respect to y, and at the end we just compute both the equations, and after computing we just saw that is, if we multiply by a square in equation 2 or with dou square z by dou y square, then definitely we will get that is a left hand side is equal to right hand side. So hope this question is clear to everyone. Now if this is fine, then we'll proceed with the next example. You can see that if there will be no doubts, then I'm proceeding with the next part. So now proceeding with the next part. If z equal to log of e raised to x plus e raised to y, show that rt minus s square is equal to 0. Now rt minus s square is equal to 0. Basically this part is belongs to your maxima minima chapter, where r is always stand for double derivative of function with respect to x. So r is equal to given in a question where r is equal to dou square z by dou x square, t is equal to dou square z by dou y square, and s is equal to dou square z by dou x dou y. या तो y वाले पार्ट फंक्शन को with respect to y and with respect to x करना है. Proceeding with the similar way. So first we have to find the derivative. So the solution will be, so what is given, that is a z is equal to given log of e raised to x plus e raised to y. E raised to x plus e raised to y. First we have to differentiate this function with respect to x. So we'll getting dou z by dou x, which is equal to, so you will getting log ka derivative, hope all of you aware, 1 upon, so 1 upon e raised to x plus e raised to y. Taking derivative of this part with respect to x, we will getting e raised to x. Therefore, dou z by dou x, which is equal to e raised to x upon e raised to x plus e raised to y. Now we have to differentiate this function again because it is clearly mentioned here. We have to differentiate twice. So dou square z by dou x square is equal to. So we have to perform here u by v rule. So v into v means denominator e raised to x plus e raised to y into derivative of u with respect to x. So you will getting e raised to x minus e raised to x as it is, and derivative of v with respect to x. So while taking derivative v with respect to x, you will getting e raised to x and divided by v square. So it will becomes e raised to x plus e raised to y raised to power 2 times. So we have to just simplify this part. So dou square z by dou x square, you will getting is equal to so we just hope the first derivative is clear to everyone. Log of derivative log of f of x is 1 upon f of x, so 1 upon e raised to x plus e raised to y, and derivative of e raised to x plus e raised to y with respect to x. So the second part is 0, only you will getting e raised to x. So therefore the dou z by dou x is this, and after differentiating this function again with respect to x, we have to apply u by v rule. What is the u by v rule? V into derivative of u. So this is part u, uh, denominator, or I'm just for better understanding, I'm just writing this part here. This is u and this is v. So hope you will understood. V as it is derivative of u with respect to x, so e raised to x directly minus u as it is and derivative of this part with respect to x. So ये part आपका 0 हो जाएगा and this part will treated as e raised to x. So e raised to x as e raised to x. This part is treated as a 0. So please remember this is with respect to x हम कर रहे हैं तो y वाला part हमारे लिए 0 हो जाता है. So at the end we have to simplify this part. So e raised to x into e raised to x, it will becomes e raised to 2x plus e raised to x plus y. We can write if you want e raised to x plus y minus e raised to 2x divided by v square. So it will becomes e raised to x plus e raised to y raised to power 2 times. So these two parts will get cancelled, and at the end if you see dou square z by dou x square is equal to e raised to x plus y upon e raised to x plus e raised to y raised to power 2 times. Now we have to find more differentiation here, because in a question it is clearly mentioned we have to find s and t, or t and s. So this is our part. Now again I'm writing here this part. Now as we know that dou z by dou x is equal to e raised to x upon e raised to x plus e raised to y. यहाँ पे हमने लिखा है. We have to perform again with u by v rule, but with respect to y. So dou z by dou x dou y. But when this is again the second derivative or second order derivative, So dou square z by dou x into dou y. अब यहाँ पे with respect to y करना है हमें. So again it is the same concept. U by v rule we have to apply. U by v. It will becomes v as it is e raised to x plus e raised to y of this part u with respect to y. So with respect to y, this will becomes 0 minus u as it is e raised to, and derivative of this part with respect to y, तो e raised to x 0 हो जाएगा और यहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा e raised to y divided by v square, so it will becomes e raised to x plus e raised to y raised to power 2 times. Now you can just see that this 0 into anything will become 0, and you will getting what dou square z by dou x y, which is equal to, you will getting minus e raised to x plus y upon e raised to plus e raised to y raised to power 2 times. This again clear. This is my equation number 1. I'm just giving, this is my equation number 2. Now we have to calculate the derivative of this function with respect to y, like similar with respect to x, with 2 times. So dou z by dou y, dou z by dou y. So this is my function. We have to differentiate this function with respect to y. So you will get similar way, 1 upon e raised to x plus e raised to y into e raised to y. This is my dou z by dou y, which is further equal to e raised to y upon e raised to x plus e raised to y. Now we have to differentiate this function again with respect to, so again I'm writing here for better understanding, this is u by v. So again we have to find out with respect to y. So you will getting dou square by dou z with respect to y square. While treating y square, तो ये पार्ट आपका कांस्टेंट यहाँ पे रहेगा, ये चीज आपको ध्यान देना है. So e raised to x plus e raised to y as it is, and derivative of e raised to y with respect to y, it will becomes e raised to y. Then minus sign e raised to y as it is, and derivative of this part with respect to y, you will getting e raised to x 0, and e raised to y will becomes e raised to y divided by v square, so it will becomes e raised to x plus e raised to y raised to power 2 times. Now further we have to write here dou z by dou y, sorry, dou square z by dou y square, which is equal to, we have to simplify, e raised to y into e raised to x, so it will becomes e raised to x plus y, e raised to y into e raised to y will becomes e raised to 2y. We have to add minus e raised to 2y upon e raised to x plus e raised to y raised to power 2 times. Further we have to write dou square z by dou y square is equal to e raised to x plus y upon e raised to x plus e raised to y raised to power 2 times. This is equation number 3. So equation 1, 2, and 3, this part in RT minus S square. Now in a question it is clearly mentioned that what it is a mention, RT minus S square. Now given RT minus S square equal to 0. So left hand side we are taking RT means what we have, that is RT minus S square is equal to, where R is means this part, T means this equation number 3. So from equation 1, 2 and 3 will getting RT minus S square means R means dou square Z by dou X square into T means dou square Z by dou Y square minus dou square Z upon dou X dou Y raised to power 2 times, because it is S square. So we have to simplify this part or substituting the values. So from equation 1, this part is equal to our RT minus S square, which is equal to e raised to x plus y upon e raised to x e raised to x y raised to power 2 times into e raised to x plus y upon e raised to x e raised to y raised to power 2 times. You can see that is equation number 1 and 3. So you will get e raised to x plus y. Similarly here you can see that is equation number 3, e raised to x plus y. And from equation 2 you can see that is plus y upon e raised to x plus y raised to power 2. So this will becomes minus e raised to x plus y raised to power 2 times upon e raised to x plus e raised to y raised to power 2 times, and it is square we have to do. Now you can see that if we multiply these two parts, you will getting what, e raised to 2x plus 2y upon you will getting raised to power 4. So this will becomes e raised to x plus e raised to y raised to power 4 times minus, while squaring this will again you will getting e raised to 2x plus 2y upon, that is a v square, you will getting e raised to x plus e raised to y raised to power 4 times. So this part is completed here, and you can observe that RT minus S square, so RT minus S square is equal to 0, and this is our result. So you can see that there is only work is we have to perform the derivative. Without derivative, I'm not supposed to do anything. So hope the things is clear to everyone. If you're having any doubts, please on your mic and then you can ask a question. Okay, so proceeding with the next. सी अगर लेक्चर के बीच में अगर कोई डाउट रहता है तो यू कैन स्टॉप मी एंड यू कैन आस्क मी क्वेश्चंस, नो वरीज. Now proceeding with the next lecture. Sorry, next problem. So if I think this is a third numerical, if u is equal to f of x square by y, then prove that x into dou u by dou x plus 2y dou u by dou y equal to 0, and x square dou square u by dou x square plus 3xy dou square u by dou x into dou y plus 2y square dou square u by dou y square equal to 0. So this two things we have to do in this numerical, and according to that we can simplify and will get definitely result, or whatever the proof is given we will definitely get out. Or the first one by one we have to apply, that is our solution of this numerical. So u is the solution. U is equal to f of x square by y. This is our function. So one by one we have to apply this part. So one by one we have to calculate the derivative. So first we have to calculate with respect to x. So dou u by dou x. What you will getting derivative of this part? If you remember, if z is equal to f of xy, and we have to differentiate dou z by dou x, then its derivative will become what? F dash of x comma y. So according to that, into derivative of this whatever. So according to that concept we have to utilize here. So definitely we will get the appropriate result. So while differentiating this function with respect to x, so f of x का derivative होता है f dash of x. So derivative of this part will becomes what? F dash of x square by y into derivative of this function with respect to x again. So derivative of x square will becomes what? 2x. y तो divide में है तो वह as it is रह जाएगा. So hope these things are clear to everyone. Now by dou y we have to take, because there's in the first proof there is only single derivative or first order derivative. So dou u by, or I'm just taking here, dou u by dou y. So according to the similar concept we have to apply here f dash of x square by y into derivative of this function with respect to y. So here x square treated as it is into derivative of 1 by x. If you remember in the first lecture or second lecture, derivative of 1 by x is what? Minus 1 by x square. So according to that, derivative of 1 by y will becomes what? Minus 1 by y square as it is. If you want, if you wish, you can go ahead with your u by v rule. What is u by v rule? V into derivative of u, so it will become 0 because it is here, it is x square minus u into derivative of v. So x square kept as it is, and derivative of v with respect to y will getting 1 upon y square. So at the end, you will getting the same result. So this is dou u by dou y. So hope this things is clear to everyone. If you're not getting, just let me know. So definitely I will explain. So dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y we have. So according to first concept, we have to sort out this part. So I'm just taking given, or we have to show that. So we have to write now x into dou u by dou x plus 2y dou u by dou y is equal to 0. So therefore left hand side is equal to x into dou u by dou x plus 2y into dou u by dou y. Therefore x into, or I'm just writing this part here directly, so I hope you will understood. So x as it is, and we have the value of dou u by dou x. So f dash of x square by y into 2x upon y plus 2y as it is, and dou u by dou y we have, that is f dash of x square by y minus x square by y square. So hope these things are clear to everyone. We just substituted the value. So at the end, what we will getting here is x into dou u by dou x plus y into, sorry, 2y into dou u by dou y equal to. So you can just observe these values. So f dash of x square by y into 2x square by y minus, because this is minus, so minus kept outside, f dash of x square by y into, so you can just see that this part y and this square get cancelled, so you will getting 2x square by y. I'm just cancelling this part, so hope you will understood. This y is cancelled with this square. So at the end, you can just observe that these two parts cancel with each other, and at the end you will getting x into x plus 2 into 2y into dou u by dou y is equal to 0. Hope it's everyone. अगर किसी को डाउट है फर्स्ट पार्ट में, तो you can ask. We just differentiate the function and we just adding the function whatever the condition is given. Now proceeding with the second part, here it is double derivative is given, just like earlier we applied. So first derivative तो हमने कैलकुलेट ही किया एक एक का, तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो फंक्शन को, या फिर डबल करना है डबल करो, बट उसमें वक्त आपका चले जाएगा. So you just apply directly here. So dou square u, or instead of this part, for better understanding, you just write equation number 1, equation number 2. So differentiating equation number 1 with respect to x. So we'll get what? Dou square u by dou x square equal to. So see, this is the product rule. This is, you can consider as a u, the whole part you can consider as a u, and this part you have to consider as a v. So please just remember this thing. So u into v rule we have to apply. So first into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. So f dash of x square by y into derivative of first into derivative of second. So derivative of second will be what? With respect to x, you will getting 2 by y. Second as it is 2x by y into derivative of first. So f dash of it will becomes f double dash of x square y, and into derivative of this part with respect to x, you will getting 2x by y. So hope this thing's clear to everyone. What we did, differentiating equation number 1 with respect to x. So first into derivative of second with respect to x, so you're getting this part, plus second into derivative of first. So f dash का derivative f double dash हो जाएगा आपके लिए यहाँ पे, and you will getting this part as it is. So one by one we have to sort out this part. Now see what it is given. मैं यहाँ पे directly करते जाता हूँ. It is given as we have to multiply with x square. So I'm just multiplying this part with x square. So x square into dou square u by dou x square. X multiply करोगे तो ये f dash of x square by y as it is, this will becomes 2x square by y plus f double dash x square by y as it is into, we have to multiply this part, so 2x 4x square and again x square, so it will becomes 4x divided by y square, because x square x raised to 4 already x square already meant, sorry, it will becomes 4 because this will becomes x square already, और फिर से x square से multiply होगा तो you will getting x raised to 4 and 2 2s are 4 and y into y square is. So hope things are clear to everyone. This is my equation number 3. आगे बढ़ते हैं और चलो यहीं पे कर देते हैं. Differentiating equation 1 with respect to y. इक्वेशन 1 को ही विद रिस्पेक्ट टू y करेंगे हम. ये पार्ट को विद रिस्पेक्ट टू y करोगे so hope you will clear the statement is what we have to apply the same concept here. So what we'll get, dou square u by dou x dou y is equal to u into v again. First as it is into derivative of second. So 2x as it is and derivative of second will becomes what? We have to write as minus 1 by y square जैसा ऊपर हमने लिखा था, plus second part as it is 2x by y, derivative of first, so it will become f double dash of x square by y into derivative of this part with respect to y, it will becomes x square into minus 1. So hope things are clear to everyone. सबको क्लियर हो गया है चीज. अब यहाँ पे हम लोग फिर से देखते हैं किससे मल्टीप्लिकेशन दिया गया है क्वेश्चन में. तो 3xy से मल्टीप्लाई करना है पूरे फंक्शन को. So we have to apply this part as it is. So 3xy into dou square u by dou x dou y, which is equal to. So see, you can see that 3xy, अच्छे से ध्यान देना है. 3xy, तो एक स्टेप लगेगा तो मैं यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ 3xy f dash of x square by y minus 2x by y square. यहाँ पे देखोगे तो प्लस f double dash of x square by y x माइनस है तो -2x³ अपॉन y⁻3। अब इससे मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं तो यू विल गेटिंग व्हाट 3xy dou square u by dou x dou y. So 3 2s are 6. So you can just see that minus outside f dash of x square y, ये माइनस मैंने बाहर लिया, ये y और ये स्क्वायर कैंसलेशन में चले जाता है, अच्छी तरह से ध्यान देना है आपको। दिस y is cancel with this y square, या हाँ ये तो नहीं होगा क्योंकि ब्रैकेट y स्क्वायर फंक्शन के साथ है, so cancel. Now x into x, x square, and 3 2s are 6x square upon y. This first part, similarly we have to apply here minus, I'm just taking outside f double dash of x square by y. Now again 3 2s are 6, x raised to 4, 6x raised to 4 upon y is cancelled with this part, so you will get it y square. So hope those things are clear to everyone with this multiplication term of 3xy. Now, one more thing is remaining, that is a dou square by dou y square and 2y square से multiply करना. So this is equation number 4. Now differentiating equation 2 with respect to y. इक्वेशन को हम विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y डिफरेंशिएट कर डालते हैं फटाफट। कौन से इक्वेशन को? सेकेंड इक्वेशन को। अगेन दिस इज अगेन गोइंग टू बी u इंटू वी रूल और प्रोडक्ट रूल u v पूरा। सो f dash so dou square u by dou y square is equal to first as it is f dash of x square by y into derivative of this part with respect to y। अच्छी तरह से ध्यान देना है, एक्स स्क्वायर एज इट इज रह जाएगा आपका, -1 बाय वाई स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव खाली निकालना है। तो एक्स स्क्वायर एज इट इज एंड डेरिवेटिव ऑफ -1 बाय वाई स्क्वायर, तो बहुत सिंपल है डेरिवेटिव निकालना। अगर नहीं आता है आपको तो यू जस्ट गो अहेड विथ u बाय v रूल, याद नहीं है तो वाई स्क्वायर एज इट इज होगा एंड डेरिवेटिव ऑफ -1 विल बिकम 0, फिर बीच में माइनस साइन होता है, वहां पे माइनस है तो +1 and into derivative of y square will becomes 2y upon y raised to power 4। ये हो गया फर्स्ट इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ सेकेंड प्लस सेकेंड एज इट इज। सेकेंड मतलब क्या पार्ट? v एज इट इज अब रखते हैं, v मतलब ये पार्ट एज इट इज रहेगा। सो आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग एज इट इज -x by y square as it is and derivative of this part, so f dash का हो जाएगा f double dash of x square by y and into derivative of this part with respect to y, you will getting again -x square upon y square। so this is our final term। इसको किसी से मल्टीप्लाई करना है तो वो है y square, so y square into dou square u by dou y square which is equal to y square से डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाई करता हूँ, अच्छी तरह से ध्यान दो, ये पार्ट 0, ये y कैंसिल हो जाएगा आपका यहाँ से विथ क्यूब के साथ। तो लगे तो एक स्टेप लिख देता हूँ, 2 मिनट जाएगा। सो y square as it is f dash of y into this part will becomes what? 2x square by y cube। प्लस और माइनस, देखो माइनस माइनस आपका प्लस ही होने वाला है, तो आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग प्लस क्योंकि मल्टीप्लिकेशन है। तो यहाँ पे आपका क्या हो जाएगा, देखो f डबल डैश ऑफ x स्क्वायर बाय y इंटू एक्स क्यूब बाय y रेज टू पावर 4, ये हमारा पार्ट है। अभी y स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो यू विल गेटिंग y स्क्वायर इंटू डो स्क्वायर u by dou y square, which is equal to. So while multiplying y square, this part is cancelled with this cube, and this part is cancelled with this power 2. यहाँ पे 2 हो जाना चाहिए. So f dash of x square by y into 2x square by y, ये हो गया फर्स्ट यहाँ पे इतना पार्ट, प्लस f double dash of x square by y into y square, and this power 2 get cancelled, so remaining is x cube by y square. This is equation number 5th. तो 3, 4th एंड 5th हमने सॉल्व किया है. अब तीनों का ऐड ही करना है और कुछ करना नहीं है. यहाँ पे अगर हम लोग देखेंगे, हमको जो टर्म दिया गया था 6 और 8 मार्क्स का न्यूमेरिकल है, ये तीनों को ऐड कर, एडिंग इक्वेशन 3, 4 एंड 5. हमारे सामने इक्वेशन रख रहा हूँ मैं, फिर से लिखूंगा नहीं मैं, देखते हैं जीरो आता है क्या. तो एडिंग इक्वेशन 3, 4 and 5. So therefore x square dou square u by dou y square plus y square, sorry, 3xy dou square u by dou x dou y plus y square dou square u by dou y square इक्वल टू. अब इक्वल कर देते हैं इस पार्ट को. And we have to verify whether this part is going to 0 or not. x square, और इसमें हम लोग एडिशन करके देखते हैं. someone's mic is on क्या? Okay, so see, I'm just explaining this part. f dash of माइनस प्लस के बेसिस पे शायद कैंसलेशन हो तो हो y स्क्वायर, तो 2x स्क्वायर बाय y, 2x स्क्वायर बाय y. सो वी कैन जस्ट टेक, आई थिंक थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे ये पार्ट को सेपरेट करना होगा हमें, अदरवाइज नहीं होगा ये ऐड. मीन्स x के बेसिस पे अगर हम लिखें इसको 2x प्लस 2xy, वैल्यूज हम लोग लिखने को तो लिख सकते हैं, बट उसके बगैर भी हम जीरो ला सकते हैं इसको. जैसे एक्स स्क्वायर डो स्क्वायर यू बाय डो वाई, जीरो आना मुश्किल है, उसको थोड़ा एडजस्टमेंट हमें करना होगा. लिटिल बिट वी हैव टू डू कंज्यूमिंग. जस्ट पहले तो अटेंडेंस फिल कर दो. यस होगा ना, मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना पड़ेगा एडजस्टमेंट करके. जस्ट अ मिनट, फर्स्ट जस्ट अ मिनट, फर्स्ट अटेंडेंस, उसके बाद कॉमन लेते हैं. वन फिल द अटेंडेंस, फास्ट फटाफट फिल कर दो। यहाँ पे वैल्यू, ठीक है, ये चीज ट्राई कर लो। अगर नहीं आता तो मैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में आप लोग को बताऊंगा, बिकॉज सर का मेरे आई थिंक, हाँ बराबर वो अपने कॉमन लेके हो जाना चाहिए इसको डायरेक्टली, कॉमन लेके हो जाएगा। यू हैव टू जस्ट राइट दिस होल थिंग्स हियर, ये पूरी चीजों को यहाँ पे लिख देना, और देखो कॉमन लेके हो जाता है, ये रिजल्ट आना चाहिए, कॉमन लेके आ जाएगा। और देखो लेफ्ट राइट हैंड साइड जीरो आता है, नहीं इतना वर्क कर लेना। अगर नहीं आता है तो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर जो सैटरडे को, दैट टाइम आई विल, या इसके पहले ही शायद आप लोग का स्टार्ट हो जाए ऑफलाइन कॉलेज, तो उसमें हम लोग देख लेंगे, या जब भी मौका मिलेगा हम डेफिनेटली उसको टैकल करेंगे। सो जस्ट सॉल्व दिस पार्ट एंड डेफिनेटली यू विल गेटिंग अ जीरो रिजल्ट, और प्रूफ हो जाता है। जस्ट वी हैव टू टेक दी कॉमन टर्म्स। प्लीज डू द नीडफुल ना, ये चीज आप सॉल्व कर लेना। अगर नहीं आता है, if attendance done, then you people can leave, no worries.